Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is lesson 2, 3 and 4, reading and FB. That means fill in the blanks. Today we will read from lesson 2, 3 and 4, and then we will do fill in the blanks, FB. That means fill in the blanks. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 4 and SW number 2. Lecture number 4 and SW number 2. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will discuss from lesson 2, 3 and 4, and then we'll do FB, that means fill in the blanks. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, lesson 2, our topics is Iman. From lesson 2, topic is Iman. Okay, look at the board. Iman means faith. Iman is to believe Allah is one and alone. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his prophet. We have to believe all of this matter. We must believe Allah is our creator. He is kind and merciful. He sees everything. He knows everything. He can hear everything. Allah is everywhere. He sees everything that we do. We will have only faith in Allah. We will only pray to Him. We will only pray to Him. That means we will only pray to Allah. Okay, Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have read lesson 2, Iman. Now, we will read from lesson 3. We will read from lesson 3, and our topic is Allah the Creator. Allah the Creator. Look at the board, my dear students. Allah is Khaliq. Khaliq means the Creator. My dear students, Khaliq is an Arabic word, and it means Khaliq means the creator. Khaliq means the creator. Then Allah has created us. He has created men and women. He has created all the people. Allah has created all the animals. He has created birds, insects and fishes. Okay, Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have already read from lesson 3. Now, from lesson 4, we will read. So, my dear students, look at the board. Lesson 4, and our topic is Allah the Creator. Allah the Creator. Okay, my dear students, look at the board. Allah has created everything. He has created the earth and the sky. He has created the sun, the moon and the stars. He has created the rivers, the seas and the oceans. He has created the rivers, the seas and the oceans. He has created soil, water, light and air. He has created mountains and hills. My dear students, here He means Allah. Allah has created mountains and hills. He has created all the plants and trees. Here He means Allah has created all the plants and trees. Allah is the creator of everything. He is our Khaliq. He is our Khaliq. My dear students, you know that the meaning of the Khaliq is creator. Khaliq means creator. That means who creates everything. And you know that Allah is our Khaliq. Allah is our creator. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have also read. Alhamdulillah, we have finished reading from lesson 2, 3 and 4. My dear students, now we will do exercise FB from this discussion. My dear students, FB means you know that fill in the blanks. Now we'll do fill in the blanks. So my dear students, look at the board. My dear students, you look here, there are 5 fill in the blanks. Now we will learn these 5 fill in the blanks. And my dear students, I have taken these 5 fill in the blanks from this discussion, from this lesson 2, 3 and 4. Okay, my dear students, our first number fill in the blanks is Iman means dash. What will be the answer? Look at the lesson 2. Iman means faith. So our answer will be faith. F-A-I-T-H. Iman means faith. Okay, my dear students, now number 2, number fill in the blanks. We will have only dash in Allah. We will have only dash in Allah. What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, our answer will be faith. We will have only faith in Allah. My dear students, look at the board. We will have only faith in Allah. Here is written. So our answer will be faith. Answer will be faith. Yes, my dear students. Now number 3. We will only dash to Allah. We will only dash to Allah. What will be the answer? Yes, our answer will be pray. We will only pray to Allah. We will only pray to Allah. Look at the board. Here is written, we will only pray to Him. Him means Allah. We will only pray to Allah. Okay, my dear students. Then number 4. Allah is the dash of everything. Allah is the dash of everything. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, our answer will be Allah is the creator of everything. Allah is the creator of everything. My dear students, look at the board. From lesson 4, I have taken this fill in the blanks. Allah is the creator. Here is, look, here is creator of everything. So our answer will be creator. Now number 5, and this is our last number fill in the blanks for today. Allah is our dash. What will be the answer, my dear students? Allah is our dash. Allah is our Khalik. Allah is our Khalik. Our answer will be Khalik. Look at the board. He is our Khalik. That means here he means Allah. Allah is our Khalik. So our answer will be Khalik. Our answer will be Khalik. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have already finished the discussion from lesson 2, 3 and 4 and already done fill in the blanks. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. You know that today is our lecture number 4 and SW number 2. Today is our SW number 2. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home. Fill in the blanks from 1 to 5. Fill in the blanks from 1 to 5. And you have to make your SW at your home like this pattern. Like this pattern. From 1 to 5. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, you must submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Don't forget to submit your SW. My dear students, inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.